Hey everyone, here's a recipe for delicious matar paneer. It's so easy to make and so flavorful. Heat up 2 tablespoons butter. Add in 3 medium sized onions roughly chopped. Saute for a couple of minutes. Cook until the onions turn translucent and golden in color. Now add 2 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Remove in a blender jar and let it cool for 2 minutes. Blend into a smooth paste without adding any water. The main masala that gives matar paneer gravy its authentic taste is ready. Heat 2 teaspoon butter or oil in the same pan in which we cook tomatoes and onions. Add the prepared masala. Cook while stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. Add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon paneer masala or kitchen king masala, both are easily available in the market, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. It somehow did not get recorded, but do add ginger garlic paste, okay? Now cook until the masala releases the oil. Keep stirring occasionally. Add in 200 grams of paneer cubes. Mix carefully. Now add half a cup of frozen green peas. You can even use fresh green peas. Give everything a quick mix. Add water as per the consistency of matar paneer gravy you want. I have added 2 glasses of water. Cook while stirring occasionally. That is until the gravy thickens. Add salt to taste. Be careful while adding the salt as we have used salted butter earlier. While the matar paneer is getting cooked for the delicious meal, hit the like button and quickly subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to stay updated on my upcoming easy to make super tasty recipes. Delicious flavorful buttery matar paneer is ready. Enjoy with butter roti or kulcha or naan or even steamed rice. Want to watch more delicious recipes? Click on the image appearing on your screen. Enjoy!